Online money making is so easy nowadays. In this rapid growing digital community, money is also digitalized. There are so many ways to make money online, but I'm mentioning here the top 5 most influential money making platforms, and I think you should be part of them. Hello friends, welcome to Technology Crash. In 2022, there are top 5 platforms that are growing rapidly. Our first money-making platform is crypto trading. As you know, crypto trading is being part of our daily lives. It's an online trading platform in which you buy coins and sell them on profit. That profit can be too much more, but you should need to learn it before. You can watch my crypto trading course to learn and earn more. Second point is freelancing. Freelancing is the most influential topic of this decade. In freelancing, you learn skills and provide services to your clients at strong cost. Furthermore, you can build your own company and start outsourcing. So, everything is set now. You can learn more in my freelancing course, where you can experience freelancing platforms, Upwork, Freelance, Fiverr and much more. Our next platform is e-commerce business. If you want to sell online, the most influential thing is to create your online store. You can also make your e-commerce business with selling in marketplaces like Amazon, Alibaba, eBay and much more. All the way you want to do to buy products and sell them on profit. In my e-commerce course, you would be able to understand everything at the beginner level. Fourth, blogging. Those who are good writers or they have money to spend on writing can make a blogging website. In blogging, you make articles on numerous topics. You can find a topic that will exactly relate to your interest. Before you start, you have to analyze every deep aspect, and don't forget to make at least 100 topics before you start blogging. After successful blogging, you would be able to earn money from Google AdSense. Our last platform is YouTube. YouTube is my favorite most platform because it accepts anything, any of your skill. You can make people laugh, can become vlogger, can cooking and whatever you do, you can make videos and start earning. That's all. Please don't forget to comment that which platform you like the most. Also like and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.